Okay, so name the shortest segment from point A to BC. So if we are looking at from point A to BC, your shortest distance is going to be AP. Then it says write and solve an inequality for x. So if I'm trying to write and solve an inequality for x, I know here x minus 8. I know side CA is greater than side PA. So I could say x minus 8 is greater than 12. And then when you solve it, don't I add 8 on both sides? So if I add 8 on both sides, I end up with, I'm going to write it over here, x is greater than 20. All right, let's look at a perpendicular bisector of a segment. So perpendicular bisector of a segment, let's say this is segment AB, is a line perpendicular to a segment at the segment's midpoint. So let's say M is the midpoint, and that perpendicular bisector bisects segment AB. So that way you know AM is congruent to MB because it's at the segment's midpoint. That's information you need to know for the next couple of sections. All right, so now let's talk about Theorem 3.10. Write this one down, the linear pair perpendicular theorem. It says, if two lines intersect to form a linear pair of congruent angles, then the lines are perpendicular, okay? So what do we know about a linear pair? Aren't they two angles that are supplementary? And we know supplementary angles add up to 180. And if your angles are congruent, that means they are exactly the same. If they are the exact same, only 90 plus 90 equals 180. So angle 1 has to be congruent to angle 2. So then G is perpendicular to H.